Hello guys, my name is Hervé Micha. I'm designer and entrepreneur. Today is a pleasure for me to start by these different tutorials to help you to reach the next level. If you are interested by design skills and investment, you are in the good place because I'm here to help you to become better. As an industrial designer, it's very important to invest in yourself. Do you want to improve your soft skills and hard skills? Do you want to become more confident, more consistent, and do you want to clarify yourself?